XB100 D-machine operation. Turn on the power switch to power up the machine. You can set goals and then stop when you're done. Set paper width, set paper length, set the number of times you can tidy up. Emptying, resetting, turn. Presupposed, start and stop. There are only folds. The settings are the same. Flat binding, same settings as long as they are in range. Binding position, fine-tuning left and right, size both sides, fine-tune. Folding position, micro-adjustment. Leave the rest alone. Adjustment of nails. It gets longer clockwise. Adjustable side lengths. Spacing adjustment. Use the tool to insert and rotate to release. Stretch to maximum. Roll clearance adjustment. 1/9克 used to adjust the clearance. It's usually in gear 3. Normal do not adjust. Wrinkles or can't fold out adjust. The pressure. Normal doesn't need adjusting. Clearance regulation. If there's a blockade here, it's too small. Release the knob. Tighten the knob. This is the same height as the cover. How to demo?